In today's video, I want to show you guys how much money I made from my Amazon KDP business for the month of July 2023. And therefore, welcome back on my YouTube channel where I talk about self-publishing with Amazon KDP and where I want to help you to earn money online. If you haven't done yet and you like the content on this channel, I'm very pleased if you would hit the subscribe button. As you can see, we are over 1,300 subscribers. So a huge thanks to everybody who is subscribing on this channel and likes this content. And I'm really interested in the results of your Amazon KDP business for the month of July. So I would appreciate if you write a comment with your results. Did you sell any books? How was the month of July for you? I'm very interested in your comments. So as I mentioned, it's a new month, so it's time for a new income report for the month of July 2023. Of course, I want to show you how many books I have sold during the last month and how many royalties I have made. I want to give you a little update because I published in the middle of July a new high content book and want to give you a little insights how the launch is going so far and how the book performs during the last 2 weeks. So have fun with this video and we will see us right now in the Amazon KDP dashboard. Right now we are at my order section of my Amazon KDP. The business, as you can see, for the month of July, I was able to sell 756 units. What makes me really happy is that I sell at least 10 books every single day. And as I mentioned, on the middle of July, I published a new high content book on the German marketplace and the average of sold books increased by up to 15 books. For the last 2 weeks, I was able to sell 30 units of this new high content book. And right now I'm still during the launch phase. So I started advertising for these books. I'm on the review management right now to get reviews on this book. And my goal is to get the bestseller badge in a specific category for this book. I'm very excited to show you the next income report. So make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss this future income report where I want to show you the results of this new high content book. Of course, the July has one more day than the month of June, and therefore my orders increased compared to the month of June because in June I was able to sell 687 books. So this is an increase by almost 70 books. And as you can see, I had a very high day on the last day of July where I was able to sell over 40 units. So right now, the most important things, how many royalties did I make for the month of July? And as you can see, I was able to achieve 4,363 euros in royalties. And this is almost $5,000. Again, what makes me really happy is that I make at least 80 euros every single day. And I have days where, as you can see, for example, the 4th of July and the 31st of July, where I was able to make over 200 euros at a single day. If we compare the royalties with the month of June, in June I was able to make 4,077 euros in royalties. So this is again an increase by almost 300 euros. Of course, we have an additional day, and an additional day makes, if it's a good day, between 100 and 200 euros. As I mentioned, I'm very excited to show you the next income report with a bigger and higher performance of my new released high content book. And of course, as you know, 4,300 euros in royalties are not profit because we have to subtract the ad spend for the different marketplaces. So again, I made 4,363 euros in royalties, ad spend for the German marketplace 1,013 euros, Amazon.com 48 euros and 48 cents, the France marketplace 304 euros, and at least the Spanish marketplace 56 euros leaves me with a very good profit of 2,940 euros. So again, I'm very happy with this result. I increased my profits by up to almost 200 euros. I'm making consistent royalties over 4,000 euros. And I hope with the new high content book that the next months gives me royalties in 5,000 euros and profits over 3,000 euros. So this is my goal for the month of August. And you can write a comment. What is your goal for the next month? How big was your royalties for your Amazon KDP business for the month of July? I'm very happy to see your results in the comments. So again, this was it for the month of July. As I mentioned, I'm very interested in your comments. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, make sure to hit a thumbs up on this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching. I wish you a very good day, and we will see you in the next video.